Alright guys, we're back at it today. Getting ready to take the pistons out of this motor and dig into it, check it, because as you're seeing, this motor was not very well taken care of. And if you also notice, I shouldn't have too much rattling in the audio because the screen for the mic was loose and I didn't know. I thought it was something else and I was trying to figure it out. But you guys watch. And like I said, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys like.
take a page from your book. I wish I understood how you feel about me. I'll give you my heart so that we can move on. Show you my world.
you see, pistons are out. It's actually not in that bad shape, especially the crank. That was the biggest concern of mine, being that my crank, as we know, was destroyed. So next step is to take it over to the machine shop. I use a local guy. He did my last motor and had no issues, so drop it off to him, have him board 20 over, and see if I can have some fun real soon, because getting bored. If anybody knows, or if has been in this situation, when your car is down, you're down as well. So until next video, I'll be dropping it off at the machine shop and ordering a few pieces here and there in between, and let's see if we can get this thing back up and running within the next month or so. But again, you guys stay safe out there too with the coronavirus and everything. But thank you for watching, and like I said, just like, subscribe, even just tell your friends. But you guys take it easy.